Dear students, Jai Hind. In identity based questions, these are some substitutions. You will remember it. In inverse trigonometry, in differentiation, in integration. In 3 chapters, if these expressions occur, you always put value of x as such. If a square minus x square is given in differentiation, in integration or in inverse trigonometry, you always put x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. First function is preferred. If there is any problem, then second will be substituted. If a square plus x square is given, put x is equal to a tan theta or a cot theta. Any one, a tan theta will be preferred. If solution is not possible, then a cot theta will be put. If x square minus a square is given, you will put x is equal to a sec theta or a cosec theta. If a plus minus x upon a minus plus x is given, then put x is equal to a cos 2 theta. Here both signs are not present at one time. If numerator is plus, then denominator will be minus. If numerator is minus, then denominator will be plus. There are sign change, plus minus minus plus. First, then first, second, then second. Always put x is equal to a cos 2. For example, you have a question. Based on these identities, simplify cot inverse. Simplify cot inverse under root 1 plus x square plus 1 upon x. In all these cases, a can be taken as 1 also. Here, a square plus x square is given, value of a is 1. 1 square. 1 is 1 square plus x square. This resembles from 1. Second identity. No matter other things are given or not, if these are givens, then always substitute x like this. Now, let x is equal to, here a square plus x square resembles from this expression. Value of a is 1. You will put x is equal to a tan theta, that is 1 tan theta. Value of a is 1. Simply x is equal to tan theta. This implies theta is equal to tan inverse x equation 1. Now, this is equal to cot inverse under root 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to cot inverse 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta under root sec square theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to cot inverse sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to cot inverse 1 by cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta upon cos theta, value of tan. cos become cancelled, it becomes cot inverse 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta is equal to cot inverse 1 plus 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 upon 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Using cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 implies 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. 1 plus cos 2 theta. Cos theta can be written as cos of 2 into theta by 2. In this identity, in place of theta, put theta by 2. You will get this. And sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin theta also equal to sin of 2 into theta by 2. Now this plus 1 minus 1 become cancelled. After that 2 cos become cancelled. Cos by sin remains is equal to cot inverse cot theta by 2 cos by sin. Inverse direct become cancelled is equal to theta by 2 is equal to what is theta? Tan inverse x is equal to half tan inverse x. This is your simplified answer. Thank you.